We could learn more lessons from that. That Allah Almighty has kept within a reminder benefit for us. We are human beings. We can forget. We do forget. Sometimes when we are told as a reminder, we should be considering it an honor. And we should be thankful for the reminder, because Allah Almighty says, وَذَكِّرْ, and remind. فَإِنَّ الذِّكْرَ تَنْفَعُ الْمُؤْمِنِينَ. For indeed the reminding benefits those who believe. So my brothers, my sisters, isn't it a gift of Allah that He's laid rules and regulations to tell us how to get to paradise, how to achieve joy and comfort? He is the maker, He knows. When He has stipulated the times of prayer, we will pray according to His timings. When He has stipulated a dress code, we will dress according to the dress code. When He has stipulated what is permissible and prohibited, we will consider both the prohibited and the permissible as they are, because the Almighty's dictated that. And we are convinced that if we follow what the Almighty would like us to follow, we would definitely achieve not only success of the hereafter, but even in this world, we would achieve great success.